I tried to write the car earlier with the new O2 changes, and the laptop died during the write, so it corrupted the file to the car, and the car wouldn't start, which is funny. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, MPV I2. So I got the 2 series cable. Online seems pretty simple. I already have HP Tuners app. We have messed with Haltech Platinum before. Nistune, AFC2s, nothing too crazy. I've never had a program that I've actually used personally. They've always been tuned by Kevin. You can see some on the channel from time ago with the Nistune on the 240. And then the downloads, pretty simple. I downloaded the driver so your computer can recognize the unit while it's connected to your car. And you'll also want to download the program, which they call VCM Suite for whatever reason. I don't know why. Seat Suite, whatever it means. This is a beta. It's got a bunch of worms not worked out, I guess. So don't download that one. Download that one. Pretty simple. Mine's already on the desktop. It seems pretty simple for right now. I'm pretty sure it's going to add a lot more to it once I connect to the vehicle, but we'll see here in a few. This is pretty cool. I paid $400 for this, 2 credits for the car. It didn't look like a camera cables, but it actually does, so that's pretty neat. After downloading software and your driver, which you should probably do regardless, off of the website, you're going to plug this device, the device, your device, MPVI2, into your computer that you obviously have the program installed on. And then you want to resync it from the menu. Go to help on your program, go down to resync interface. Nothing will happen after you plug it in for a couple seconds. Give it some time to do its update and connect and everything, and it surely will with the cord they gave me. For a while there, I was like, what is this one for? Should I pull out my printer cable? My printer cable doesn't fit that one, so don't jump the case and think that you need to connect to this for any reason. A little indicator too for power. Next step is pretty simple. Just log in or create and register yourself, because by the time you've purchased it, they're going to have your information on file anyway. Once you log in, you can go inside the account. You will automatically be there, which is here. Next, you would connect your device to the computer. It's been connected the whole time. You would then go into the editor and you would go to help and then select verification code. It's pretty simple. It's like 7 options down. It'll give you these numbers. Inside your account, go to my devices. You'll then enter the information given to you by HP's program after it's already interfaced and resunk. Copy and paste the numbers from HP Tuners over to your actual account. Now it'll show your credits and your little profile. Plugged into the car, give the ECU some power. It's initializing, reading the vehicle. Access reading the vehicle from flash up here, and then select read vehicle. And it is like I thought. After it does the read, it'll add a whole lot more icons and start looking a lot more original for you. I was a little worried, wondering why it only showed so much. So right now I'm going to try to turn off the rear O2 codes, which is one of the main reasons why I got this, and we need to get it just because of the RX-7 and the Vet. We'll be adding boost and doing all the good stuff eventually. So we need this. We need to start learning, and it's long overdue that we've had this. All right, after playing around with it and turning off all the sensor 2 options of check engine light to see if I can get rid of my check engine light for the O2s, it would not let me do it, so it looked into my file, and now I have to assign my credits to this car, so I'll be able to write changes. As of right now, I cannot. All right, I'm turning off. You just turn off a check mark for the check engine light you want to turn off, which is a rear O2, so it'd be sensor 2. There's a lot of them in here, so just go down the list. I tried to write the car earlier with the new O2 changes, and the laptop died during the write, so it corrupted the file to the car, and the car wouldn't start, which is funny. So I didn't jump the case. I was like, all right, this is probably what happened. My friend was like, well, I called Kevin. He was like, the file was corrupted. So I rewrote the car with the initial tune I saved on my first read the car, and it started back up. So now we're just getting rid of these O2 codes. Whew, it is fresh out here. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up religiously. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're almost to our goal. Thank you for all the new subscribers. I'm still getting new people every day. I mean, it's only 1 or 2, but given where I come from, it's still impressive and it's still humbling to watch the channel grow. So thank you for that. This has been long overdue. HP Tuners is much as I'd like to say it, we've needed it for both cars. I've needed to get into tuning for a while. It will only evolve me as a car enthusiast and make me better as a person, and maybe I can start making money with it eventually. But I'd also like the luxury of just being able to tune my own cars on the fly and actually know what I'm doing. So this is a step into, you know, going crazy with it, you know, being like the people at the drag strips and stuff. They might have people build their cars, or they build their cars, but they still do a lot of tuning at the track and stuff as far as themselves. And imagining doing that on race fuel every weekend is just something to envy. You know, I think I've been ready to go to the next level for a while, and it's about time we went there. So yeah, got HP on the car. It's in. I think I turned off like 7 to like 18 rear O2 sensor 2 codes options. I turned that many off and then wrote it to the car, and the check engine light turned off, no problem, which is great. I love it when something works out the way it's supposed to, which doesn't happen often with me. But yeah, we got it on there. The car needs to be retuned bad. I mean, it runs, it's all right, but I mean, we put headers, X-pipe, straight pipe on it to stock 2.5-inch axle back, and that's still on the existing tune that had stock manifolds, ECT. It's probably got another 40 to 60 horsepower just in timing and fuel pull out. I also want to go on the dyno to find out how much injector we have left. If we have enough injector left, we will pull the restrictor plate out of the blower intake, and that'll probably raise the boost by 3 to 5 PSI, and I know the fuel pump with the booster pump can handle up to like 750, so it should be interesting to see where it goes from here. We dramatically need tires, because without them the car is just a mess under 80 miles an hour. But yeah, we'll see you next time, and just wanted to show you what it's like to get your feet wet and get your hands dirty and dive off into the tuning world from a different perspective versus before. I just pay for a dyno tune, or Kevin would tune it, or somebody would just pay for the program or the credits and get the tune. So hope you liked the video. We'll see you next time. Hit him with the outro.